provision of healthcare is not only a basic need, but also a prerequisite for development in any country. In line with Vision 2030 and towards the achievement of the overall well-being of human, social and economic development, Nairobi West Hospital continues to strive to make healthcare more affordable and accessible. Private hospitals such as the Nairobi West Hospital play a critical role in bridging the gap of health facilities in the country. The Nairobi West Hospital is a 24-hour, 150-bed capacity, fully-fledged modern medical facility. Its mission is to provide first-class healthcare of international standards within the reach of every individual. At Nairobi West Hospital, superior healthcare is provided in a compassionate manner, ever mindful of each patient's dignity and individuality. To accomplish its mission, the Nairobi West Hospital partners with individuals and organizations with the required skills and expertise to work together to advance medical innovation, serve the health requirements of the community, and further the knowledge of those dedicated to providing care. The operating theatres at the Nairobi West Hospital are the most modern modular advanced operating theatres.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Gashini. I would want to give a brief about the Modular Theatre. The other name for it is Laminar Flow Theatre. It has several specifications that make it meet world-class international standards. The first thing you note about the Modular Theatre is the floor, which has rubber coating that make it antibacterial. The walls are covered with steel that again make sure that bacteria don't grow there. And the theatre also maintains a temperature of about 18 degrees Celsius, making it difficult for bacteria to grow, which is obviously suboptimal to bacterial growth. The other thing that is characteristic about it is the way the theatre is ventilated. It is always having positive pressure, so that whenever you open, for example, the doors, air would only flow out instead of in. The air that is on the inside is filtered to make sure that there is no contamination. This makes sure that infection rate in theatre, which is a big problem in the normal theatre system, is cut by up to 99%. The reason why the theatre is called a laminar flow theatre is because air comes in through the ceiling, also called a forced ceiling, then over the operating table, and out through the vents that are located on the lower side of the walls. The other specific thing about the modular theatre is the lighting system, which is easily adjustable either to increase the intensity or to reduce it. And it again does not generate heat, which make it possible to maintain the 18 degrees Celsius.
In addition, the modular theatre has a high availability of extension, providing for the introduction of new facilities in the future, as well as the establishment of an operating environment with high work ability and enough function. Let us now look in detail at some of the key features of a modular operating theatre. Bacteria cause infection within the operating theatre. Supplied with an air conditioning and control systems, the ceilings reduce the risk of post-operative infection whilst providing optimum comfort through the use of conditioned, filtered clean air. The system is designed to allow the client to select from a variety of lighting and diffuser arrangements to suit the specific requirements of the operating team. The ceilings consist of a plenum box supplied with conditioned air from the central system via S-class HEPA filters mounted on the inlet to the supply ceiling. All HEPA filters and housings are laboratory tested and certified. All ceilings incorporate supports to secure them to the main structural frame of the modular operating theatre or structural slab. The fabricated operation room is a freestanding structure with panels of stainless steel. All the four corners have return air duct outlets and grille for the same, made of steel. To keep the operating theatre sterile, stainless steel antibacterial color-coated wall panels are used. The round corners of walls, floor and ceiling help to maintain laminar flow and are easy to clean. Special antibacterial sealant is also used in the joints to ensure hygiene. One of the major theatres has coated stainless steel walls to reduce reflection during laparoscopic procedures. bearing in mind that in an operating theatre, the two most important personnel are the anesthetist and the surgeon. With their equipment and trained personnel, they form a group of specialized people who strive to heal and save lives. A well-designed working environment is much appreciated by them. This includes proper ventilation, advanced surgical tools, and also positioning of the supply system. The importance in designing a workable environment for both the surgeon and the anesthetist means our theatre is equipped with machines like the C-arm and specialized microscopes and suspenders placed to cater for the high demands of the specialists. The air and light diffusers consist of 2 layers of monofilament precision woven polyester of uniform porosity with an open area of sufficient resistance to create laminar airflow from the diffuser face, diffusing the air into the theatres uniformly over the total area. The IMSCARE range of ventilated ceilings provides the sterility and cleanliness required in today's operating theatre environment. Integral lighting provides an illumination level in excess of 1,300 luces at the wound sit and electronic steeples dimming down to 3% without flicker. The doors in the modular operating theatre are used to maintain the correct air pressure in the room. The door frame is made out of high-quality anodized aluminium extrusion, and the door panel is made out of compact laminated board that can withstand high abrasions. The view window is of a specified size consisting of double insulated fixed glazing with not less than 5 mm thick toughened glass. Window frames are powder coated with aluminium of approved shade flush mounted with wall paneling. All the controls for the modular operation theatre are provided on a membrane-type, microcontroller-based electronic control panel mounted in the theatre wall. The control panel meets the electrical safety codes for high and low voltage systems. The control panel may consist 9 tiles, namely time of days clock, elapsed time clock, temperature display or control, lighting control or dimming, medical gas alarm systems, hands-free telephone, HEPA filter status indicator, OT pressure indicator, X-ray viewer. In our modular operating theatres, we provide only high-quality, flexible, mobile and strong operating tables. The electro-operation theatre table is developed in close association with leading surgeons. Unique and excellent in design, this table is effective for orthopedic, neurological and other highly sensitive operations. The attachments to the modular theatre table also allow major surgeries such as hip and knee replacement. The scrub sink is made of high-grade stainless steel with stain polish finish. There is also manual or automatic operation with hot or cold water mixing. The recovery or post-operation area is also factored in and is manned by well-trained professionals to monitor the health of the patient before they are taken to the surgical ward for recovery. The recovery room is the area where patients recover from the immediate effects of anesthesia and surgery and provides a setting for the detection and treatment of early post-operative complications. To further enhance the safety of patients, the modular operating theatre is strategically located beside the ICU or HDU areas in case of any complications. The Nairobi West Hospital has 2 modular theatres and 1 minor procedure theatre. It has the latest machines such as the laparoscopy, 2 digital C-arms and ophthalmic microscope. The modular operating theatre is set to revolutionize healthcare in the country. The Nairobi West Hospital is proud to be the pioneer health institution in Kenya to have the first fully modular theatre. This way, we provide first-class healthcare of international standards within the reach of every individual. for your time.